Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Yelp for local business reviews and SEO signals. To connect Yelp for local business reviews and SEO signals, start by creating a Yelp business account. Visit the Yelp for Business website. Click on Manage My Free Listing. Enter your business name and address. If your business appears in the list, select it. If it doesn't, click on Add Your Business to Yelp. Fill out the necessary information about your business, including category and contact details. Verify your business by following the instructions sent to your email. Once verified, log into your Yelp business account. Optimize your business profile. Add high-quality images that showcase your products or services. Craft a compelling business description with relevant keywords. Include accurate hours of operation. Respond promptly to customer reviews. Engaging with reviews can boost your business visibility. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Share your Yelp listing link on your website and social media. This helps drive traffic and improve your local SEO. Monitor your Yelp analytics to track engagement and reviews. Use this data to refine your marketing strategy. Keep your information updated to ensure accuracy. Regularly check for new reviews to engage with customers. A well-managed Yelp profile can enhance your online presence. Utilize Yelp's advertising features for targeted promotions. Consider offering special deals or discounts to attract new customers. By following these steps, you can effectively connect Yelp to improve your local business reviews and SEO signals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.